a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is weekends. Question number 1. What do you do to relax? I enjoy reading a good book, watching a movie, walking outside, and listening to calming music. Question number 2. How do you usually spend your weekends? On weekends, I usually catch up with friends, go for a walk in the park, cook, watch movies, or read a book. Question number 3. Do you have a lot of time to relax at the weekend? It depends on my schedule, but on weekends, I usually try to rest at least a little bit. Question number 4. What did you do last weekend? I went to the beach with my friends and family last weekend. We grilled and played beach volleyball. We also took a lengthy walk down the shore where we watched the sunset. Question number 5. What are you going to do next weekend? I'm not sure yet, but I'd like to go exploring a local park or taking a nature walk with some buddies. Question number 6. Do you like working on weekends? No, I do not. Working on weekends takes away valuable time that I could be spending with family or performing leisure activities. Working long hours and then having to work on weekends might be difficult. Question number 7. What do you usually do on weekends? On weekends, I typically spend time with my family and friends. I enjoy going to the movies, to parks, and to restaurants with them. I'd also like to relax and catch up on sleep or simply read a book. Spending quality time with loved ones is vital to me since it allows me to make lasting memories. Question number 8. Do you want to change what you do on your weekends? Absolutely. I'd like to spend more time outside, discovering nature and exercising. I'd also like to attempt new activities and hobbies like painting and writing. I want to make the most of my weekends and my leisure time. Question number 9. Is there anything new that you would like to do on weekends? Certainly, there are a lot of new activities I'd like to do on weekends. I want to go camping and explore new trails by kayak or paddleboard and learn to hike. I'd also like to taste new cuisines and learn about my city's food culture. Finally, I'd like to spend more time with my family and friends, making memories together. Question number 10. Do you think employees should have to work on weekends? No, I believe that employees should not be required to work on weekends. Working on weekends consumes valuable time that could be spent with family and friends, indulging in leisure activities, or taking a much-needed break from work. Work-life balance is crucial, and having to work on weekends can make it harder to attain. Text of all the questions and answers is available in the description.